So this is the content attribution in Usermaven. I'm going to talk about what content attribution is and what kind of insights you can get from this report. So content attribution is basically looking at the different touch points in terms of what pages people have visited or what type of content they have viewed before conversion. You must be very interested in finding out like which blog posts people are reading or which blog posts are actually influencing people to convert. So you'll get all of those insights in here. So similar to channel and source attribution, first of all, you will have to select conversion goal that you've already created. We are looking at the signed up people here. So people who have signed up, it can be thank you page conversions, it can be purchases, it can be anything that you want to measure for. And we have different attribution models here. I have selected 4 different attribution models here that I am interested in right now. The look back window is 180 days here. So the look back window is the time frame in which we look at all of the interactions people have made during the conversion path or conversion journey. And the time period for conversion is last 30 days. So we're looking at the conversions that have happened in the last 30 days, and we are trying to calculate or find their content attribution. So first of all, you can look at the chart here. It gives you some important metrics here, like what kind of pages people have visited and what kind of attribution model was it. So for example, this is one of the pages that people have visited. By the way, this data is taken from one of our other projects, Content Studio, and some of the data is dummy to make it look as real as possible for this demo video. So a lot of people visit this, like most of them visit this as a last touch because this is the last page they have to visit before the sign up event is sent. And the linear attribution gives equal weightage to all of the pages people have visited during their conversion journey. These are all the pages people have visited before conversion with different attribution models. But now let's look at the table here, and you'll be able to see all of the pages and what kind of influence they had on conversion. So, for example, these are some of these pages. They have to visit these pages before conversion signing. They have to go to the sign up page if they're signing up from single sign on with Google or Facebook or any other platform. The home page, pretty obvious. Most of the people visit the home page and then they sign up. So here we can see like 809 people have visited the home page before conversion and 281 people have visited the pricing page. So this is pretty important. If you want to know like how many people are visiting the pricing page before conversion, then this is the number. 281 people have visited the pricing page sometime in their journey before conversion. And 37 people or 37 conversions, it was their first touch. The pricing page was the first touch for 37 conversions. And similarly, if you look at the home page, out of 809, 713 conversions came to the home page as their first touch. So login page, yeah, these are some obvious pages, but you can see there are some content pages as well, like the pages, actual pages from the website. So we can actually find out like which pages in the website are influencing conversions. So this is AI social caption generator. It's pretty obvious, like it's a hot topic. So a lot of people visit that page before conversions, and 68 conversions happened with the first touch of this page. Like it was the first page people visited, and then they followed on to the sign up and other pages. If, for example, we want to look at the blogs, then we can simply search for blog, and we can see like which blog posts people have visited before conversion. And here we can see like 16 out of 16 people or conversions have seen this blog post as their first touch. So we have different kinds of attribution models here, like linear, and you might see some numbers here, last touch, because it's 0, because these can't be the last touches, because the last touch is obviously the sign up page or maybe the page before that, for obvious reasons. So in this case, first touch is pretty important for us. But if you have a conversion happening on multiple pages, for example, if a person can buy your ebook or something on multiple pages on your website, then the second last touch or the last touch would be very important for you, because you want to know like what was the page they have visited before signing up for the ebook or newsletter or something like that. So this gives you a complete holistic view of your content to see what type of content is performing best, what kind of topics are performing best, so you can get all the insights related to your content. So that's all about content attribution. If you have any thoughts or feedback, feel free to share them. And thanks a lot for using Usermaven.